talking about? Hey, did you just let me out when I was going to my special occasion talking about thing? Excuse me, but have you not seen the car crash into the house right there? Sorry, Rachel. What? What happened here? Excuse me, but why are you not taking this serious at all? Just a crash, it's not a big of a deal or anything like that. Of course it is. Glass shattered everywhere. Okay, so you guys are saying that this is all my fault? This is your fault. What were you doing at your special occasion thing when you didn't even realize there was a car crash to our house? A little help here? Oh, yeah. You're finally back from your special occasion thing. So, what is the big deal out of this, yos? Excuse me, but you know that glasses are shattering all over the place. You guys still left me out from the party! The party! We still feel left out! Well, glasses are shattering on your face. Forget it. Why are we just standing here? Why don't we call the ambulance right now? Rachel! Now this, Mr. Carlos, will you leave right now? Now my heart is broken. Well, Rachel. What? You know that all of this thing is just a prank. What? What? This was just a prank, all this whole car crash thing? Are you okay, Mrs. Rachel? So, you're telling me that this whole entire thing is just a prank, right? Yeah, it is actually kind of a prank, but don't you like it? Let's have some fun. Come on. That's enough. Is this thing recording? Okay, oh my gosh, I can't just believe that Rachel actually fell for the prank.